In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact PayPal customer support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to start a live message with PayPal or to place a call with the correct one-time passcode and service hours, all from your account. First, sign into your PayPal account using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the official PayPal site and that the address bar shows a secure connection before you enter your login details. Being logged in helps PayPal identify your account quickly and can speed up support. Once you're in, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. In the footer, look for the contact link and click it. This takes you to PayPal's help or contact center. If you don't see contact right away, scroll carefully to the footer area. It's typically near other site links. This page is where you'll choose how you want to reach support. On the help or contact center page, scroll down again. Toward the bottom left, you should see a button labeled Message Us. Click that and a chat box will appear, usually at the bottom right of your browser. This chat often starts with PayPal's virtual assistant. Type a short, clear description of what you need help with, like an issue with a recent payment or a question about your account. If the assistant can't resolve it, you'll typically be connected to a human agent. Keep any relevant details handy, such as the date and amount of a transaction, but avoid sharing sensitive information like full card numbers or passwords in the chat. If you prefer to speak with someone over the phone, look again toward the bottom left on the Help or Contact Center page and click the Call Us button. The page will load with PayPal's contact number, a one-time passcode you'll use when prompted during the call, and the current customer service hours. That passcode expires within about 10 minutes, so either keep the page open while you dial or jot it down and call promptly. This helps route your call and verify your account faster. Be sure to check the listed hours, as they may vary by region, and remember that standard carrier charges may apply. That's it. Log in, go to Contact in the footer, then choose Message Us for chat or call us to speak by phone with your one-time passcode. If something doesn't load, refresh the page or try a different browser. Stay signed in so support can assist you efficiently, and never share your password or full security codes. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting the help you need.